Hey there, is your Fire TV stick stuck on the logo screen? Dealing with tech issues can be frustrating, especially when all you want to do is kick back and enjoy your favorite show or movie. In this video, we'll tackle the problem of how to fix Fire TV stick logo stuck on screen so you can get back to streaming without a hitch. Follow our detailed guide to troubleshoot this common issue swiftly and effectively. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV stick. The first step in fixing the Fire TV stick logo issue is to perform a simple restart. Unplug your Fire TV stick from its power source and wait for approximately 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in. This process can resolve many minor glitches by resetting the device. After plugging it back in, wait to see if the device proceeds past the logo. Step 2. Check your HDMI connection. Sometimes this issue can be related to a faulty HDMI connection. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your Fire TV stick and your TV. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV or a new HDMI cable if available. Additionally, make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Step 3. Power reset your TV. Power cycling your TV can also help address the problem. Turn off your TV and unplug it for about 1 minute before plugging it back in and turning it on. Once your TV is powered on again, try booting up your Fire TV stick to see if it progresses past the logo. Step 4. Update your Fire TV stick. If you manage to get your device to work temporarily, it's essential to update the software to prevent future issues. Navigate to Settings on your Fire TV stick, then go to My Fire TV and select About. Click Check for Updates and install any available update. Keeping your device updated can resolve bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reset your Fire TV stick to factory settings. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset might be necessary. Be informed that this will erase all data on your device, so try this only as a last resort. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the back button along with the right side of the navigation circle on your Fire TV remote for about 10 seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Step 6. Contact Amazon support. If your Fire TV stick still won't get past the logo screen, it may be time to reach out to Amazon support for professional assistance. It's possible there's a hardware issue that needs further examination. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to fix the Fire TV stick logo stuck on screen issue. By following these steps, you should have your device up and running in no time, ready for streaming once again. Remember, technical hiccups are common, but don't let them throw a wrench in your entertainment plans. If all else fails, Amazon support is there to help. Thanks for tuning in and happy viewing.